Hi everyone, and welcome back to the section on Python crash course. Now this section is for anyone who wants to refresh the Python concept. Otherwise I have created this optional section just to refresh all of your Python concepts. So if you don't know about the Python, you can go through this particular section, and this is one of the very important section if you don't know about the Python programming language. And if you want to deep dive into Python programming language, there are many other courses are available on internet and Udemy. You can just go through all those courses. And those of you who already know about the Python programming language but just want to refresh the concept before diving into a data analysis task. Okay, so let's begin with what we are going to cover in this section. So first we'll start with a very basic assignment and basic data type available in a Python, like a boolean or a number, float or a string. Then we'll see looping mechanism and a decision making available in a Python. And some of the collection types are available in a Python, and one of the very important collection types, list, dictionary, then tuples and stats, because once you learn about the data frame and a series kind of advanced data structures available in a Pandas library, which is nothing but much more enhanced facility it gives over this list and a dictionary. Then we'll see at the end how to create the function. Apart from that, there are many more topics are there in a Python. It is just we are touching the surface of Python to refresh your concept, and that is more than sufficient to continue in this particular course of data analysis with Pandas. Okay, so I hope you are excited. Let's get started with a very basic data type in a next video.